Welcome folks, today we're gonna unbox the Pepsi phone. The phone is produced by the Pepsi manufacturer and it's beautifully packed. And let's keep this phone naked. This is a phone inside it. Let's open it. The phone is not quietly done and it's a user manual. Let's turn it on. Looks like it's switch off and find something more in the box. And just like in every phone, a pin, a back covers and a screen guard. This is a manual for screen guards, and the screen guards aren't really tempered. It's just a replacement guard. And you got a charger which is about 5 mAh and a USB cable and yeah, USB type C and earpods which is somewhat similar to Apple earpods, which is quietly done though. Let's turn it on. The fingerprint is actually a square, which is kinda thing we didn't find in any phones, and the camera is very bad looking. Let's charge it up. Let's switch on, and this phone contains the Pepsi official launcher. The apps and the applications are all in the Pepsi launcher. So I am 2 minute done.